What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of upcoming sneaker releases for the month of August this time because July is over and we do this every month. Any which ways, shit, yeah, any which ways, kaise aa gaya? Alright, so just a heads up before we jump into it. In this video, I usually handpick a couple of upcoming sneakers that are about to drop in India or otherwise as well if they are important, and I give my opinion whether they are good for a personal cop or for reselling. Now usually we start with Adidas and Yeezy sneakers every time, but this time around I'm literally bored and tired because Adidas is the same old thing and it's become extremely monotonous talking about all those upcoming Yeezys in different tones of the same color and giving the same opinion again and again and again. So this time we're going to start with Nike. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly jump straight into it and start with the heat that is dropping by Nike for the month of August. Alright, so the very first sneaker from Nike is obviously the Nike Dunk Off-White, releasing in 50 variations. Now they are not really different colorways for each, but the base of all the sneakers is kind of same with a different zip tie and a different that lace that goes over the sneaker. So these are basically set to drop on 9th of August. It's going to start dropping from 9th of August because like you know there are 50 variations of this sneaker, and I think they're going to drop in packs of 10 sneakers every week or something like that. I don't know. So far the rumor is that Nike is saying they'll be only available via exclusive access on the sneakers app, which we do not have in India, but we did get the Nike app, so let's see if we get a chance to cop those. But either ways, I don't think if we do not have the option of exclusive access via sneakers app, then we should definitely see some dropping in the regular upcoming section of sneakers. So all of these are going to be great. Obviously all you can do is try. There's nothing much that you can do because it's Off-White, it's collaboration, it's not going to come in stores, and obviously there are two versions of these 50 sneakers. That is number 1, this one, and number 50, this one, that is the black and the white, are going to be the most limited ones, and I think they are going to resell for about $1,000 if not less. That is my prediction. I don't know what happens. Either ways, the rest of them are also going to be great. They should be about $400, $500, $600. So also there's another rumor about these sneakers is that you might just get to buy one without knowing which version you're actually getting. So let's see how that goes. You can try for them on Off-White website or keep a check on Nike Sneakers India if they do get listed. And yeah, if you happen to cop them at retail, there's a definite cop. Moving on, the next sneaker obviously is another super hyped sneaker. Those are the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows fragments, the low version of the highs that basically dropped today at the time of shooting this video. So a lot of you guys were confused asking me why is it not listed on sneakers. The thing about it is that it was not really clear and nothing was given out by Nike where it's going to drop, how it's going to drop. There were a couple of worldwide raffles like end clothing and stuff like that, but so far by the time I'm shooting I could not see it on Sneakers India. And since they are extremely limited, so we do not know if they will be listed for Asia or not, but either ways that's gone. Talking about the lows which are coming around 13th of August, those are pretty much going to be in double or triple the quantity compared to the highs. So I definitely do expect them to be listed on the Nike Sneakers India because it's a shared platform with the rest of Asia. So obviously if they get listed there, you have to try it, and if you do happen to cop it, then it is a great sneaker. You're going to make some really good money. So to conclude it all, it is a definite cop for personals as well as for reselling. Now moving on to two very special sneakers that we are going to see in August, and we might actually see them in stores, are the Lightning Jordan 4s and the Shattered Backboard Jordan 1 lows. Now the Lightning Jordan 4s are being retroed for the first time from the original release. They were extremely limited back then, but this time around it is a wider release and sort of a general release, so everyone is going to have a fair chance at copying them. These shoes in my opinion are absolutely brilliant. I personally have been waiting for them since a long time because the rumors started I think a year ago, and yeah, it's finally happening. So do expect these to drop in Super Kicks and Veg Non-Veg as well. I'm not very sure. My job is just to predict what I feel might happen. So yes, if they do drop over there, then it is a must cop for personal reasons I do not suggest you to resell them, because that is a great sneaker. But either ways, if you do want to resell, the resale will be decent, somewhere close to about the University Blue Jordan 4s that we saw in recent months. So yes, it's a cop for personal as well as for reselling. Now moving on to the shattered backboard Jordan 1 lows. This time around, they are sort of inspired by the reverse SBBs or SBB 2.0s that we have previously seen in the high silhouette. These sneakers are absolutely fire. This is definitely a must cop for me personally, and I would suggest the same for you. If you talk about resale, then it's definitely going to go for at least double, because SBB has a very high demand, and this time around it's come in that OG cut of the Jordan 1 lows, and I just think they look beautiful on feet, just like the neutral grey lows. So yes, talking about the SBB lows, it is a definite cop for personal as well as for reselling. I am not very sure if they will make it in store, but going by the history, I think they should, because it is a wide release and a general release. So let's hope for the best, and let's hope they make it to Super Kicks and Veg Non-Veg. Now moving on, so these are all the best sneakers that I feel from Nike are dropping. Now apart from this, there are going to be a lot of mids, lows, dunk highs. Now like I said last time, please do keep in mind, let's leave all the mids, lows and the dunk highs for people who are new to sneakers and who want to get into sneakers. Let them have it for retail, let them wear it, let them enjoy it. Don't just go after every sneaker that drops for a very minor profit. You can do that with the dunk lows. Either ways, I have spoken about that before also, and that is what I will be advising you now also. So all of the mids and lows are going to be great for personal use and not for reselling. And talking about the dunk highs, there is a really nice dunk high dropping, which is the aluminum women's dunk high, that is sort of like the UNCs. So yeah, they're going to be great. Again, it's a great cop for personals and not for reselling. Talking about dunk lows, there are ton of more dunk lows and the hype is kind of dying down. So just give it a thought before you go for every sneaker and decide what you really want. Some colors will always do better than the rest, but overall the hype is dying down. So please only go for what you really want for yourself and leave the rest out for others who want it for themselves. Alright, now one last sneaker that I forgot. Obviously, I cannot remember everything, I'm not a robot. So we are going to see the Air Jordan 1 highs in the pollen colorway, the yellow and black colorway. Not yellow exactly, it's sort of University Gold. It's not yellow per se. So that is what is going to be dropping very soon. Again, I expect them to come in stores in India, and if they do, then it is a great cop, although it won't be as good as the UNC or the Mocha or the Hyper Royal, because it's sort of a yellow mustard colorway and not everyone likes to wear those, which is why it's not going to be as great as those. But overall, obviously it's a Jordan 1 high and it's a pretty clean colorway, pretty much similar to the Varsity dunk highs that you have seen on my channel before. So yeah, if they do drop here, then they are going to drop here, that is for sure. So yes, it is a cop for personal use, and for reselling it's going to be kind of decent. You can never go wrong with Jordan 1s, so go ahead and cop them and do whatever you want with them. Okay? Alright, so that's all from Nike. If I do happen to miss out on a couple of sneakers, I will try and include them and talk about them briefly in future vlogs over the month. But for now, this is what I have handpicked. Now let's move on to the boring part of the video, which is Adidas and Yeezys. Now before we get into even more boring part under Yeezys, let's talk about the best part in the boring part, which is the Yeezy foam runners dropping in 2 more colorways on 2nd of August, which is my birthday. So Adidas, if you're watching this, then please be kind enough to send me both the colorways in my size so I can resell them and make some money. I'm just kidding. Alright, so the the foam runner ochre and the foam runner MX cream clay, something it's called. These were supposed to come in July. We spoke about this in the previous video also, but they got delayed and they're coming on 2nd of August, which also happens to be the Yeezy day, the infamous Yeezy day or the famous Yeezy day, however you call it. I don't care about that day, but yeah, so both of these foam runners are dropping. Obviously they're going to be great. The demand for foam runners is still extremely high. Everyone wants them for daily use or whatever it is. So in any case, the point is that both of them are brilliant. They're going to retail for 8,000 rupees as usual, and you can sell them for minimum 25,000, and it's a great cop for personals, and obviously for reselling, I just explained what the scene is. So yeah, it's great for personals, reselling as well. Alright, so moving on, we have another 700 V3 dropping. This time around it's called Night Rider. No, sorry, not Night Rider. What is it called? Oh, it is called Night Rider. What the fuck? Alright, so 700 V3 in the Night Rider colorway. Again, I don't understand the logic behind this because it looks exactly the same like the Alvas. I think there's a difference in the color of the glow of the cage on the upper of the sneaker. So last time around it was sort of green, and to me it looks like sort of blue. Maybe that is the only difference. I did not even bother to check about what is different in them because it's just another similar sneaker that we have already seen before. So yeah, if you did not happen to buy Alva, and obviously going by the StockX prices, it's not at all worth at that price. So this is your chance to get another one at retail. 700 V3s are good that way, they're not bad, they look really good on feet, but obviously not good at 400, 500, I mean 25, 30, 40k and all that. So if you want one on retail, then you can go in for these and they could be yours pretty easy, I'm assuming. So yeah, it's a cop for personal. For reselling, it's probably a drop because you'll have to flip it the same day for a very low margin, and if you don't happen to sell it, it will become bricks and you will get stuck with it, and then God only can help you for that. Moving on, we have yet another Easy 350 V2. This time it's called Light, and we are going to leave it at that because I do not want to talk about the same sneakers again and again and again. It's a drop for personals, it's a drop for reselling. I mean, that's my opinion. Okay, if you think you can make 2, 3, 4, 5,000 on that sneaker, then go ahead. But this video is about my opinion, and I would suggest you to keep away from it and do not get into 350s for resale purposes. Now, apart from this, like I said, there is the Easy Day happening. We've not really had that kind of a day in India in the past, like all the sneakers that US gets. We do not get it here on one specific Easy Day, sort of. So I don't know what's going to happen with that, but nevertheless, there are a couple of restocks planned for that day, like the Wave Runners, 700 V1 Wave Runners, the 700 V2 Mauve. Mauve is not kind of a restock, it is another form of another Mauve that released before and the same nonsense. So either way, 700 V1, 700 V2 are really good sneakers. They still do look great on feet. So they are a great cop for personals, and for reselling, I think it's high time we just stop talking about reselling and Yeezys because they have sort of become contradictory for the common man to buy it and get it cashed out with another reseller. Unless you're a reseller. If you're a reseller, then it's a great purchase because a lot of people in India still want to buy their first Yeezys. So it's good for you. But if you're an individual selling to a reseller, it's a total mess. Rather not get into it and be safe and don't get your 20,000+ rupees stuck for God knows how long. Alright, so those are all the Yeezys. I don't think there was anything more important to talk about under the Adidas and Yeezy section. If something comes up, like I said, I will address it in future vlogs briefly, and you can probably comment below if something I missed out and you want to know about. I will get back to you in the comments as well, or I will talk about it in the next following videos. So that's all from me for today. Now before I end this video, very quickly let me remind you, tomorrow, that is today, right? Today is Thursday, the day of shooting. Tomorrow is Friday, the day you're going to be watching this video. We have a live event in the night at 9 o'clock from Main Street Metro. It's a live auction event. I've spoken about it before. So if you want to be a part of that, then go to the link in description, subscribe for $9.99 and come and take part in the auction that we are holding for multiple sneakers, where the bid starts from ₹1 only. So if you're lucky enough, you can get some really good sneakers for really cheap. That's all from me for today. If you're watching till here, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will be back tomorrow. Yes, you heard. Wags, you're fucking coughing. I will be back tomorrow with a vlog because tomorrow is Harsh's birthday, in 2 days is my birthday, and I said last time we're going to do a couple of daily vlogs, like I don't know, 2, 3, 4 videos. Let's just see how it goes. So you're going to be getting a video from me every day for the next 4 days, including this one. So stay tuned and do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. और कुछ बोलना है? That's all guys. Peace.